In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira ticket from Slack. If your Slack workspace already has the Jira integration installed, you can turn conversations into trackable work in just a few clicks without switching apps. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to start the process, and then how to fill out the issue details so your team has exactly what they need. First, the slash command. In any channel or direct message, type the command that opens Jira actions, such as typing the / followed by Jira. When the Jira menu appears, choose Create Issue. This brings up a form right inside Slack. If your workspace has access to multiple Jira projects, you'll be able to pick the right project. Then choose the issue type, like a task or bug, add a clear summary, and write a helpful description. You can include links to messages, screenshots, or steps to reproduce. If your team assigns work at creation time, select an assignee. Otherwise, leave it unassigned and your triage process can handle it. When everything looks good, submit the form and your Jira ticket is created. Second, the message shortcut. When you see a message in Slack that should become a Jira issue, hover over it and open the More Actions menu. Select Create Issue from the Jira options. You'll see the same form as before, but this time the original message is already linked, which saves you from copying text. Review the pre-filled content, choose the correct project and issue type, refine the summary and description so they're actionable, set an assignee if needed, and submit. Third, the emoji reaction. If your workspace has a Jira trigger emoji configured, reacting to a message with that emoji will open the same Create Issue path. This is great for quick triage in busy channels. Once the form opens, confirm the project and issue type, polish the description so it captures the context of the conversation, pick an assignee if that's part of your workflow, and submit. A few tips as you go. Use a concise summary that someone scanning a backlog will understand at a glance. In the description, include why this matters, what needs to be done, and any relevant links. Choose the correct issue type so reporting and workflows run smoothly. If optional fields like priority or labels appear, set them consistently with your team's standards. That's it. Whether you start from a command, a shortcut, or an emoji, the flow is the same. Open the Jira menu, select Create Issue, complete the form with the right details, and submit. Now you can capture work directly from the conversation while everything is fresh.